Okay, so I want to discuss the current wavelength of the cosmic reset we are going through. Some people may be experiencing something similar to an energy surge, or maybe it feels like an energy overload. I would say that this is us reconnecting back with the planet. So, we're not the only ones who went through this cosmic upgrade. The planet did as well, and now its energy is sort of turning back on and increasing, and it's heading towards full capacity. So we're sort of similar to a light bulb being plugged into a lamp. We're being plugged back into Earth, so our psychic energy is increasing. And as that increases, it's strengthening our auras. And as our auras re strengthen, they're producing this sort of detoxing, purifying effect. So some people may be feeling sort of disorientated or this fearful energy during this sort of energy surge. That is just the fear, that fearful energy, that fearful programming being sort of expunged from our bodies, being expunged from our auras. And that disorientation is us sort of leaving again that astral dreamy energy that we've really been into. And as we reconnect to this sort of earthy energy, we're going to feel more, down to earth and grounded. And we're also going to feel sort of this free flowy energy because this is a water planet. So we're also reconnecting with that sort of watery energy, which is not only helping to release that sort of stagnant energy, but it's also going to relieve some of this more serious energy that may have been weighing on some people because it's, this more free flow, not that non-resistant sort of energy. And since we sort of reached this different stage of this sort of detoxing purification, we are gonna it's it's possible we may find ourselves more repulsed by sort of imbalanced and toxic vibrations. Okay, imbalanced and toxic situations, maybe even people, because it's been this sort of like attracts like situation. We've been holding on to this sort of toxic, corrupt energy, and as it's sort of being purified and released, we're to sort of gravitate away from those places, those spaces, those people, those situations, and even our sort of psychic navigation systems are being clarified. So again, that will help us navigate away from these sort of imbalanced and toxic vibes. Now, I believe there may be more waves of this sort of purification energy, but we have sort of officially replugged back into the planet, sort of replugged back into this new earth.